Got an unboxing here, so search of the Atocha. Dr. Gene Lyon, my old business partner. Hasn't signed it. He's passed away for the past couple of years. Here's the issue card. Photos. Supposed to be a map in here. Should be not in here. So we got this. And this is the Atocha, search of the Atocha. So I don't see any map. Supposed to be a map in there. Got this card. Oh well, there's no map. There it is. There's the map. See if I can pull it out here. Can't pull it out, but I'll frame it one day. Along with it. That's the Atocha map. That's what Dr. Lyon or G. Lyon found. There it is. There we go. Nice map. I think the mother note has a map in the back. But here we go. Atocha by search of the Atocha by Eugene Lyon. Just before he was a doctor and had his doctorate degree in history. Known him for 30 years, or just about. He passed away in 2020. Was his business partner from 99 to 2020, so 21 years. And we helped work on Santa Margarita, the Atocha, several new sites we'll be working on as a company. So just want to show you that. Miss Eugene and Dot. And just thinking a lot about him. Best researcher ever. He's the GOAT when it comes to researching. Florida Library Classic, Port Solano, Florida. That's near me. So I come down here, Florida. So anyways, please like and subscribe, and more information about the Atocha. I do have a couple coins, so maybe I'll do an Atocha collection. So we'll go from there. Okay, have a good one. Thank you, and like and subscribe, and please follow us.